I do feel like my actions have put a black cloud over our storied program, one of which I never thought in my years here at the University of Georgia that I would bring such shame to this magnificent institution.
He called it a big mistake, but the mistake of drinking and driving has now put UGA athletic director Damon Evans under a public microscope. And according to Athens attorney Jason Slider, the consequences Evans may face will all originate with whatever evidence the officers have from the night of the arrest.
I would anticipate there's probably a video of this incident, whether there is or not, but generally Georgia State Patrol will activate a video. Generally activates automatically when they put their lights on. And they record everything. And so they start trying to make their case from the beginning.
According to reports, Evans refused the breathalyzer test at the scene and at the police station, which according to Jason Slider doesn't exactly admit guilt, but refusal of the test carries consequences of its own.
If you refuse that, then there's some license ramifications. If you refuse it, an officer can institute administrative license suspension proceedings, which if your license is suspended as a result of refusing to take the test, your license could be suspended for 12 months.
You know, oftentimes you may see that a celebrity or someone in a higher position may be able to get out of trouble easier than just a common person because of their status. But I was told today by attorney Slider that that might actually work against Damon Evans.
To one extent, it's going to be scrutinized by people in the news, people, on message boards, Georgia fans, people that aren't Georgia fans. And then it's also going to be scrutinized by people that, have other involvements with DUI law. People in, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, things like that, are really going to be watching that, and that's going to really have an effect on the prosecutor that's having to handle this case.
Slider says this issue will carry into the 2010 football season. Whether Damon Evans will last that long as UGA athletic director is yet to be determined. In Athens, Laura Ashley Harris, WNEG News, Northeast Georgia.